Okay, let's say for example that you want to freeze a particular frame. And let's say for example I want to freeze this particular clip here at any point. Well, what we can do is select the clip and zoom in just so you can see at what points you want to do you will start the freeze. Let's say I want to do it about here. You then right click on it and then go to change clip speed, and there is an option freeze frame, kind of hidden away I suppose. So just click on that guy, make sure it's selected, hit change, and then notice if we zoom in a sort of symbol here, and that point it has now been frozen. So it's going to be frozen at the point where you place your playhead. And that's pretty much it. So you have your normal clip, and as soon as it gets to this point you then have your freeze frame. And of course if you wanted to change it and you didn't want to freeze it at this point, you can just then drag the actual line here and then move it to the right or to the left depending on what point you wanted the freeze frame to start. And that's pretty much it. Nice and easy. Okay, so I hope this video is useful, and of course it is. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another Davinci Resolve tip. Take care, guys.